Hello guys, PBI2 here. This video is a guide about the CS2 Shanghai major, explaining the viewer pass, the souvenir tokens, the souvenir capsules, the team capsules and the autograph capsules. Let's start with the viewer pass. There are two options for it. The simple version costs €9.50 and the advanced version goes for €17. The more expensive pass gives you 3 souvenir tokens with a discount of 5%. You can purchase the souvenir packages with 1 souvenir token. The souvenir package can also be bought for €2.85. If you want to buy souvenir packages anyways, I suggest you to buy the pass with 3 tokens and the discount. Also write in the comments if you want another video from me about which souvenir package is the best to buy or even invest in. The next question I'd like to answer is, what can you do with a viewer pass? First thing, you can select a graffiti from a favorite team with infinite sprays until the end of the major. Second thing is that you can also participate in the picking missions and get new souvenir tokens for more souvenir packages. You also get a major coin which can be displayed on your profile, and this coin can also be upgraded to silver, gold and diamond depending on how well you do on the picker missions. Also keep in mind that you can buy more than just one viewer pass as a possible investment. I will talk about that possibility in one of my next major investment videos, so leave a sub if you don't want to miss that. Now let's get to the interesting part of the video, the capsules. At the moment we have 6 capsules, the challengers, contenders and legends, team and autograph capsules. After the major ends, the winner gets their own capsule containing the 5 autograph stickers of the players from the winner team. A few days after the major finals, Valve will put the stickers on a 75% sale, and only then it would be time to invest in those stickers if you plan to. But I will make the great investment guide for that, as you know. You can also check out my other video about my initial thoughts on the new stickers that are again borderless.